when everybody is free, say 70% taxi drivers and owners are free, before renewing their license or they are renewing their permit, every year they have to renew their permit.
Yes.
Before renewing, compulsory they have to attend this training program. Training program to be organized by Department of Tourism and Director of Transport together. You need to educate them. If some people don't know how to talk to a guest, you need to educate them. There has to be a seminar. TTAG needs to be a part of this seminar. Educate them. What are their difficulties?
So you are saying government is lacking?
Not government, Department of Tourism.
Okay.
Part
Department
of the
of Tourism
government.
is lacking.
They are lacking because they don't have time. They don't have time.
जेन्ना तू टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंटा बद्दल उलयतलो तुका डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन येतलें यू आर टार्गेटिंग टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ दिलीप परोळेकर.
I am not targeting tourism department because of Dilip is my friend, he is my colleague in our party. It is the job of the director of tourism and the other deputy directors to see that this
The minister is not responsible.
no, minister is partly responsible, who has to guide them, who has to say okay, this has to happen. But why they are not thinking about this? When every tourist is complaining, if they are saying every tourist is complaining, all the tour operators are complaining that these people are robbing, these people हे चोर स्वतः उठान ऐकपाचे हेच आम्ही हे चोर म्हणून. why go finally they किती म्हणतात ना गोयचे नाव बदनाम जाता.
Have you spoken to Dilip Parolekar about this?
I have spoken that day when our meeting was going on.
सरकार तुमच्यात नाही.
I spoke openly that a seminar needs to be conducted.
What is tourism minister saying?
Their difficulties. See, every person has a difficulty. I as a owner of a taxi,
Michael,
I have a
एक गजाल
difficulty.
सांगू. Being a local MLA आणि कलंगूट सारख्या एरियाचो local MLA, you know these problems better than anybody else. You can offer solutions better than anybody
See,
else.
I'll tell you.
Government तुमचे. दिलीप परोळेकराक तू फ्रेंड म्हणता. आणि तरी आसतना तूच एजिटेशन करता.
No, agitation करिना. What is wrong, I correct. I try to bring it to their notice because I'll tell you one thing.
What happened?
They have no time. Department has no time.
Tourism minister has no time.
No, till today, as a local MLA, हांव एक आहा सावथाक आहा कायतू सिल्वा in कोलवा.
Michael Ba.
मांद्रेकर आहा.
Michael Ba.
I want to know which day the Department of Tourism has taken a joint meeting of all of us to understand our
Michael
difficulties.
Ba, you are saying that tourism department doesn't have time to address the issues
Yes.
raised by Kalangut MLA.
Forget Kalangut MLA. Which MLA चो issue तेंच्यांनी आमकां आपयला together.
No,
Okay, let us have a
not
meeting
forget Kalangut
once in a
MLA.
year at least.
Let us not forget Kalangut MLA. It is Kalangut.
Of course, it
Then
is
what is
Kalangut.
tourism department doing?
See, what I'm trying to say is they need to have a joint meeting of all the coastal MLAs.
Why it is not happening?
And understand
Who
our
is not
difficulties.
serious?
Nobody is serious. Who is serious? You tell me who is serious.
Why? Minister of Tourism is also not serious. It is your government.
Okay.
He is your friend as
See,
you claim
as
it.
far as I can tell you, we always go to the minister also and also to the chief minister. But I have got all my works done to the honorable chief minister. Whatever works is because
That is because you and Dilip are not on the same page.
No, it's not like that.
It's a
You
fact.
have to have a positive thinking of doing these works.
And that when
hunche
both
काम
of you come together, it becomes negative.
No, it cannot become negative. He has to think positive. He is the minister. I am not the minister. I am only the local MLA. I want these things to be done. You know, there are so many works to be done. These are the issues which is bringing bad name for Goa. Koranu solve. Why it is not getting solved? Everything has got a solution, but you need to have a positive mind to sit and think and discuss and bring all the people on a common table and solve it.
Because it is Dilip, because it is tourism department, I am asking this.
Yeah.
आणि ताण परत इश्यू झाला. तुमची सनबर्नाच्या टायमार इश्यू आशिल्लो, तुमचो सुपरसोनिकाच्या टायमार इश्यू आशिल्लो आणि आता परत रशियन म्युझिक फेस्टिवल जावपा आशिल्लो तो लास्टाक कॅन्सल जालो. And as far as we know, that tourism minister is not very happy with the cancellation. And it looks like it is because of your pressure that the thing happened.
No, see, I had no pressure. Let me be very frank. एक वाटेन issue असलो tourist taxi drivers and owners who came more than 500 numbers in the secretariat to meet the CM just 3 days before this event.
True.
See, 700 people they all were not called. So, again, I'll tell you, all were not called. Few of them were said, please come, we are meeting the CM. जिक्के free हा तिक्के येयले.
बरोबर.
Let us go one more step ahead. Problem तेंचो issue solveच जावंक ना. कांयच जावंक ना. खाली discussion जाला, तेंका assurance दिला within 15 days we'll come out with a solution. Let us bring a rate chart first. तुमचेर जे एलिगेशन आहात ते पयलीं सॉल्व करुया, मागीर तुमचे ग्रीवेन्सीस आहात ते सॉल्व करुया. Chief Minister has given assurance on this and said, let us have one more meeting. We'll solve the problem in less than 15 days. Okay? Assurance is given. Soon within 3 days, there is, supposing we are giving a party for the Russian people. They are dancing, they will dance, they will do all. It's a party means what? It's a dance, music. How will our locals feel when our people are aggrieved?
Don't you think you are mixing two issues?
No, it's not two issues. You understand this?
They have paid all the fees for the procedure.
No, listen.
They have fixed everything. They have brought artists. They have fixed artists.
No, conflict.
And then, because of the issue of taxi drivers, we are stopping that.
No, conflict zala between our local taxi drivers and owners and the few of the Russian illegal tour operators. आता इथून जो तर येदी व्हडली पार्टी दिता तिथून जो तर कितेंच लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन जाले एक दर आय एम जस्ट सेइंग स्पार्क जालो हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस इज द सेम थिंग fallout of that Parra incident of Nigerians which became the headlines of the world news. BBC showed it. So who is going to be responsible? Will the tourism department take that responsibility?
Don't you think
I as a MLA should take the responsibility?
Don't you think that reflects badly on us? That reflects, we allow it. I am not allowing it. Whether we should have more music festivals or have less music festivals is a different issue. Once we allow it.
No, music festival is always welcome in Goa. No government will say no to any music festival, which is good, which will bring revenue to our state, which will look after the vicinity, the locals. So everybody makes money, even the taxi drivers, restaurant owners, everybody makes money on that. But here the situation was not the music festival, the situation was
it became ego issue.
No, there would have been
तुम्ही आमचे इश्यू सॉल्व करात नाल्यार आम्ही तुमगे म्युझिक फेस्टिवल करपाक दिना
ना तेणी अशें म्हणोंक ना
पण तशें जालें
तेणी टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर आनी ओनरान तशें म्हणोंक ना
पण तशें जालें
बट फाल्यां कितें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जाल्ले थिंगा बिकॉज all the issues were hot. Any conflict had to happen, who would be responsible?
After that, now Russia is saying that we have issued advisory to our citizens saying that do not visit Goa. How are you taking it?
See, I'll tell you.
Now, this is an official Russian Consulate General reaction.
Goa is a destination by itself. We have natural beauty. Goan tourists जे येवपाचे आहात ते 100% येतले. कितले एडवायजरी कोणी दिल्यार तशें आमकां बॅकफायर
ऑफिशियल एडवायजरी ऑफ अ कॉन्सुलेट
आमकां बॅकफायर जावपाचें ना. वी वेलकम ऑल द रशियन टुरिस्ट टू गोवा.
व्हॉट अबाउट द एडवायजरी?
Whatever is that conflict between the taxi drivers, owners and the illegal tour operators, that is few of the Russian people who are involved in that. Because of that, the larger Russian touristanचे नाव पिड्यार जाल्ले आहा. Understand that part.
But now with the advisory, even those good tourists will not come.
See, advisory is given, but definitely Russians love our destinations. They will come. We will solve this problem between the local taxi drivers, owners. आणि कोणाचे कितें प्रॉब्लेम आहा आमी सॉल्व करतले. It should be a joint initiative of all of us together to solve this problem. Advisory will not have any negative impact. Tourists will come to our destination. That is 100%. See, earlier also lot of advisories were given. If you look at the figures from the 2010 till 2014,
the number of Russians have increased.
The English have gone down. The Germans have remained stable. Maybe 1000 Germans are gone down. But Germans, Finland, tenso ek issue allo. They did not like Goan beaches because they were little unsafe as far as women was concerned, and also because of the garbage
that affected.
issue. No, garbage issue.
Yes.
Tenso advisory aslo. It affected. It did not increase. But this issue of Russian this thing is totally a different issue as far as taxi drivers and owners are concerned. It will be sorted out.
Why, Michael बाब जेन्ना म्युझिक फेस्टिवलाचो प्रश्न येता तुझ्या आनी दिलीप परोळेकराची झगडी कितें जातात?
खंयचे म्युझिक फेस्टिवलाक
सनबर्नाक जाली
ना सनबर्न I always said Sunburn should stay in my constituency because it was born in my constituency.
मागीर अशें दिसपाक लागता की हातूंत भितर there is more to it than what meets an eye आणि तुम्ही तातूंतल्यान कितें तरी फायदो करून घेवपाक सोदता. सो तुमची पॉलिटिकल झगडी सुरू जातात.
My interest is always where local interest is concerned. आमचे लोकल गोवन्स आनी जे बिझनेसमॅन जे कितें करता आपले बारीक बिझनेस करता आनी तेजेर ते जियेता. म्हाजो इंट्रस्ट तेंचो आहा की दे इवन आय एम अ स्मॉल बिझनेसमॅन. I also have small stakes in tourism industry. I have restaurants and
बरोबर.
resorts. We are living on this industry. We have to think positively on this industry. So everybody needs to think positively. Even the tourism minister has to think positively. He is an individual first, then a tourism minister. As a Goan, he should think positively. Everybody should think positively.
Why both of you haven't got along well?
No, I have been always going to him for all my works. Now, in which angle he thinks that I am talking negative or I am trying to do negative is his problem. I am just an MLA. He is a minister. He is above me. He should always support me in whatever way I go positively with him to do. No, I am not a threat to anybody. I am not a threat to anybody. I do my own work. माझे काम हांव कोत्ता. लोकांनी पळयलां माझे काम. आणि whatever is in the interest of my constituency and for Goa, I do.
अशें म्हणटा थ्रेट तयार जातात. शेजरा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसतकीर मागीर चड थ्रेट तयार जातात.
No. I don't know, some people must be giving him some wrong ideas or wrong thoughts in his mind, but he should just leave it, because today he is the minister of tourism. He should work in the interest of tourism.
What if tomorrow Michael Lobo decides to contest against him?
In Saligaon? No, I will not contest, because my constituency is Kalangut and where I stay, Parra is a part of Kalangut, and I have got a good reputation with my people in my constituency. I will never contest in Saligaon.
You will never contest in Saligaon?
In Saligaon.
On record you are saying that?
Yes, I will never contest in Saligaon, but I have interest in Saligaon because I was Zilla Panchayat member. That's
why I am asking.
Yes, I have interest in Saligaon because Saligaon people always come to me. But till today they come to me.
But you will not contest
constituency people.
You will not contest against Dilip Parulekar in Saligaon.
I will not contest against Dilip Parulekar in Saligaon because my interest is in Kalangut. I am already an MLA of Kalangut. I will contest again in Kalangut. But I have, because my heart and soul is also in Saligaon. But Saligaon constituency people
but that heart and soul would not get converted into candidature of Michael Lobo from Kalangut.
Candidature of Michael Lobo may not be possible, but definitely if I feel that my better half can contest over there, why not?
This is the open thing.
No, it's not open. It is a thought. Why not? I am saying why not?
If not Michael's wife will contest.
My wife is a Sarpanch of Parra village. She is 2 times ward member. She understands the difficulties of the people.
So Michael Lobo is a threat?
I am not a threat. Right now, we are working together as a team. Dilip, he is our minister. I am the local MLA of Kalangut. Same party. We are working together. But if you ask me threat-wise, I will never contest in Saligaon.
So 2017, Dilip Parulekar might face a candidate who is from Michael's home.
No, but you can never say what is going to happen in 2017. At that particular time, we will decide.
He can face.
We are right now working for the people, but even the Saligaon constituency people, I am helping them in whichever way they come to me, and if I can help them, yes, he is our minister. I always phone and tell him that I am doing some work in your of this person or that person. It is nothing wrong with that.
Right now you are a team. 2017 God will see.
No, that will see.
सांगिस्ता आजेर आमी रावया आनी खूब इम्पॉर्टंट गजाल सांगल्या इंटरव्यू सोंपतना आपूण थ्रेट न्ही पण आपलो कॅन्डिडेट थ्रेट आसपाक शकता. सो खूब म्हाका दिसता की ओपनली सांगनासतना खूब ओपनली सांगला आयले and you spoke about all these things. Thanks a lot. It was pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.